Hi, and welcome to this Want2Host tutorial on how to create an email account in the Parallels Plesk panel. First of all, you're going to press the Create Mail Account button, which brings you to the page where you can write the name and the password of your email account. We're going to create one called info, and then we are going to add a password, and we have to confirm the password. And if you ever forget your password, you can always log into the control panel of Parallels Plesk and change the password. You can choose to create a button on the control panel for easy access to the mail, but we're going to leave it, and you're able to set a mailbox quota, but we're also going to leave that. That's not anything we're going to mess with at the moment. We could finish the email right now, but we're going to click next because we want to add a spam filter. We have chosen on Want2Host to offer you the Spam Assassin spam filter, and it comes free with every hosting account. All you have to do is to check this box, and the spam filter is working. You can change the quality score of a spam mail, but the most optimal setting should be 7. You could adjust the message spam mails arrive with, but we'll leave it at this. It's very easy to recognize a spam mail with this. And then we click finish, and there you go. You have created your first email account.